Hey, I'm Matt Jasek. I'm from Southampton, Mass.
My name is Minaj Ford. I'm from Fairfax, Virginia.
I'm LeVar Owens from Bloomfield, Connecticut.
Okay, my name is Andres Carrasquero. I am from Venezuela. I live in Indianapolis.
My name is Francisco. I'm from Portugal.
Evan Curry from Cincinnati, Ohio.
George Hood from Danville, Pennsylvania.
Janera Cobb from Rockland County, New York.
Name's Mark Montero. I come all the way from Santa Barbara, California.
My name is Andres. I'm from Dominican Republic, but I live in North Carolina.
I decided because I wanted to get the experience to be able to detail and start my own business one day.
I decided to attend Detail King's seminar to learn detailing skills so I can eventually, either start my own business or get experience working first.
I've been doing detailing for a few years now, but I just want to upgrade all my skills and talents because I'm ready to expand.
Okay, I coming for get skills and get more information about the business and try to in the future get my own business.
I'm starting business in Portugal.
I wanted to further my skills in the detailing realm of it, and I also was super excited about the ceramic coating part of it.
For self-improvement, I wanted to know how to really take care of my own cars, and it's very interesting here.
I own my own small business in Rockland. It's a trauma scene and remediation company, cleaning company, and I wanted to really expand it into offering some interior car detailing.
Well, first off, my brother gave me the idea of coming to this class. I looked it up and, you got his website, read everything, so, found it interesting.
I wanted to improve my skills and my knowledge about detailing cars. So I went to the website. I saw your website and I tried to call, get some information, and I found it good.
I'm loving it.
It's a lot of knowledge to be attained, and hopefully I continue learning more after the class.
So far, halfway through the day, and I'm overwhelmed with the amount of knowledge that I've received, so I'm looking forward to the remaining 2 days.
It's good information. I get it, good information, good people, and they have a lot of stuff to learn, and that's gonna be used in the future for my own business.
Yes, very nice information to my start business.
Today I learned a lot of the business side of it. I think it's definitely going to help me out in social media and getting it all back together when I get back home.
Actually excellent. I think the business part is actually very interesting, and I'm actually learning a lot.
Yeah, so far the business portion has been really, really informative.
Well, so far, the information is really helpful. It's some things I already knew about promoting your business, but you guys are going really in depth with the information.
So far, it's more than what I was expecting. It's been really good. I've been learning a lot, and I feel pretty cool.
I learned a lot today. I never touched a buffer before today, and the buffing was pretty hard at first, controlling it, but as soon as I got it down, it was not as bad.
Today we learned how to service the exterior of a car. We learned how to buff, polish, and apply a sealant and wax to the car.
Training today was great. This is the main reason why I came to the training class, was to learn how to use all the machines, the buffers, which I have never used before. So this is everything what I was expecting today.
Okay, today I learned a lot of what I think to wax outside. You use the clay, what kind of clay you have to use, and how clean a good way the engines base, and try to fix the crashes and use the polish, use the machines is very well. I think so it's gonna be useful in the future for me, and that's it. It's good.
Tive um ótimo dia, os treinadores são espetaculares e ajudam-nos, têm-nos ajudado em tudo, em todas as coisas, e tem sido um ótimo dia, espetacular.
Well, I learned a lot about buffing and waxing and doing all the prep work before that. I thought I was a know-it-all, I thought I knew everything about it, but in reality I didn't, and I got to add that to all my skill sets today, along with what's coming.
Today we did exterior and it was very good. I actually got to observe the wet sanding procedure, which I've always wanted to see, and I was able to ask a lot of questions about it. And later we went on to polishing, and one thing I found interesting was the tire dressing using the compressor with that brush on it. So overall it was a very informative day, and I'm very happy.
The paint correction, I learned quite a bit. I learned really just how to use the machines themselves, because I don't have a lot of experience with using those kind of machines, which I thought was great. And there was a lot of, I really felt comfortable because I felt like the instructors were right there if I had a question.
I did come with an idea that it was going to be a little bit difficult to control the tools, but I was surprised that I was able to hold on to them, because they are a little harder to control, but it went good. I think it went pretty smooth.
Today was a good day. We started work on the exterior of the car. We learned the process, how to apply the companion, how to apply the wax, how to polish the car, and the good technique, how to apply those products.
Honestly, for someone that didn't come in, I came in with no experience. I learned a lot. I learned how to detail, learned how to buff, everything.
Today we learned about detailing the interior of the car.
We learned how to do the interior of vehicles using steamers and different type of equipment to quickly clean dashboards and things like that, which is what I really wanted to learn today.
Today I learned a lot of stuff for machines, vapor machines, extractor machines, tornado, how can use everything inside the car, detailing, and that was very helpful for me in the future.
Hoje aprendemos a limpar os interiores, acho que foi muito importante, ajudaram uma ajuda importantíssima. Conseguimos perceber como realmente as coisas são feitas e como é que se limpa um carro no seu interior, e os vidros também, e foi muito importante. Adorei. Mais um dia espetacular e recomendo a qualquer pessoa.
Learn about everything in interior detailing and all the little tricks you can do to satisfy your customer to the most that they can.
So today we did interior and it was actually very good. Was very amazed at the Tornador cleaning tool with the soap attachment. I'd read about it, I think, online, but getting to be there in person, actually using it is a different experience. The instructors are great. Learned many new tips and tricks for cleaning the interior, which is always kind of a black box for me, so it was very good.
The interior portion, I think the biggest thing was the carpet dyeing. We worked on that because we had a significant stain that we definitely worked on. And I just like the actual, a lot of the vacuuming and the extracting, using that in the correct way.
I learned a lot, especially about brushes, small detailing inside the interior, the vents, what to use, what could make it a lot easier.
Yes, we learned how to work in the interior, how to clean it, how detailed the interior was really good. I learned many things, and I guess from today on, I'm ready to work detailing cars.
Definitely recommend it for someone that's getting into detailing.
Yes, definitely. For someone that's never done any detailing before.
Definitely.
Yes, I recommend for everyone to like it, to work in cars, detailing, to get the knowledge for the future. They're gonna be one step in front of the competition and everybody. They have a lot of information for you in the future and to grow up in the business.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, definitely recommend it if you want to start a business in it. But I also recommend it if you're just a DIY car enthusiast. Definitely will make you a much better car detailer.
Oh, I absolutely would, yeah. Yeah, I had a really good time and learned a lot in 3 days.
Most definitely, I would.
I recommend people who are interested in work detailing cars to get this training. The only reason is because you will have competition, and the only way you can beat them is getting the knowledge that you will get from school and people who knows already about the business and the job.